Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on turning. Turning of an object or shape involves a rotating motion around a particular set point. So, turning is a circular movement. Turning has a central point that stays fixed and everything else moves around that point in a circular path. A full turn is 360 degrees. A turn can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Let's look at some examples. Here's the letter F, and this is the fixed point here, right there. Now, you can turn that F in that direction, and that point there stays fixed, so the red F is what you see after you do the turning. So I've just changed the colours here just to show you the original F and the F after it has been turned. Now, here is a triangle. Let's say we start off with this triangle, okay? And we have an angle of turning. So if this is the center of turning, that is, that's the fixed point, then this triangle here can turn like that. Okay? That point stays fixed. And away we go. So there's the original. There's the image. That's after we have turned. There's the angle of turning, which is 120 degrees. And that's the center of turning, which is a point. Let's look at this smiley face. Now, before turning, we have that smiley face there. If we turn it in that direction, 90 degrees, that's what we get after turning. So I think it's pretty straightforward to understand that. Just think of the hands of a clock, if you like, how they turn around. Well, this is a very, very similar idea. Turning in real life. These are just very basic examples. A wheel turns around a fixed point, which is the center of the circle. So that's the fixed point here. So this wheel just keeps rotating around that point there. Ferris wheels are found in many entertainment parks. And there's the fixed point there. Wheel bearings are an important part of most vehicles and can keep turning for many thousands of kilometers. So that section there is the one that turns, and wheel bearings are an absolutely vital part of a lot of machinery, cars and many other things, motors, etc. Spanners and other similar tools are essential in unlocking tight-fitting nuts. So all these turn in a circular motion whether you're locking or unlocking a nut. Some exercises here. Turn each of the following shapes around the given point. Use the number of degrees indicated. So there's the point which stays fixed. 90 degrees around this point of turning in a clockwise direction. So I'll give you a clue. We're going to turn in that direction. Here, 180 degrees around this point of turning in a clockwise direction. Again, we're going to move in that direction. So you can pause this slide for a few minutes if you like. Give you a chance to draw the objects after they've been turned. So I'll go to the answers in about 10 seconds. Okay, here we go now for the answers. So there's the blue circle after it's been turned in that direction for 90 degrees. And this object here, after we turn it in that direction for 180 degrees, that's what we see. So this video has given you some examples of turning, which is like an object moving in a circular direction around a fixed point.